So I'm going at 5k. Let's see if I can get a little bit faster. Alright, here we go. $16k with the backpack. It's about 10 o'clock at night, which probably seems like a pretty strange time to start a journey like this, but I'm going to attempt to walk around as much of Malta as I can. Right now it's a little bit cooler than it is during the day, so it's going to be nicer to walk at night, and I've only got a limited time frame to do this. The aim is simple, just to follow the coast. I'm not following every step of the way, just loosely around the coast to see as much of Malta as I can. Right now I'm really excited to be out here. I just hope I can make it through the built up area and find somewhere to sleep tonight. This is really quite creepy. I'm walking through these industrial areas with large boats and warehouses and factories, and there's lights everywhere, but there are no people, there's no life. It's just sounds of whirring fans. I don't know what they are, if they're some sort of overnight factories, but there's just no one here. When I started this journey, one of the things I wanted to do was find new places in Malta that I didn't know about. But I was kind of thinking of the nice pretty places along the coast and the beach and everything else. But I guess if you're going to walk around the whole coast of a country, particularly one with a lot of port industry, you're going to find places like this. So that's where I am now, but I'm kind of looking forward to when I'm not there. I hear a car. I hear a car. Someone else is here. Someone else is nearby. It's a little bit busy here. Cars going by super fast. This is the part of the journey that is not a fun part, that I hope will be over quite soon. That's amazing right now. Ah, I got absolutely soaked. It's weird what nighttime does to you. I could walk around here in the day and be absolutely fine, but I am freaked the hell out right now. I just found some weird abandoned looking building, and when I went past it, some dogs came out. They heard me, and then a lot of dogs were barking, and I disappeared very quickly, and the dogs didn't actually see me. They must have just heard me and come running. But now I'm completely on edge. The darkness is weird. I can't wait till the dawn. Maybe I'll just walk till dawn. Can I walk all night? I don't know. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. I wonder what time the sun rises. Now the world's getting light. I feel on top of the world again. It's amazing how much better you feel in the light than in the dark. I'm recharged, ready to go, and super happy to be here again. Absolutely beautiful down here this morning, and so calm. It's as if there's no one else in the whole world. I think when I first moved to Malta, this is kind of what I hoped it would be like. Just rugged and beautiful, and I wish I could have seen more of this part of Malta, and I want to find more of it in the future too. I just saw a huge rat run across the path right in front of me, which apart from stray cats and hedgehogs is probably one of the only mammals I've actually seen in Malta. One thing that is making things a little bit difficult is things like this. So that's the way that I want to go, but apparently I'm not allowed to. I find it kind of sad at times how we own different parts of the world so that other people can't use them. Looking up there, it looks like a lovely place to go, but it's all farmland that isn't accessible anymore, yet there's not a whole lot growing on there. I mean, just look at these. super sad it's taken me nearly 2 years to do this in Malta. I've only been out for about 12 hours and already I'm absolutely loving it, and it's just like another little reminder. It just takes just a little bit of effort, just a little bit of will to go out and really enjoy the place that you live in, wherever it is, whether it's a big city or the countryside or whatever it is. You can find something amazing if you're willing to make the effort to look for it. It's close to 30 degrees today, so I'm taking a little shelter break here from the sun, sitting up against this building. I've gone for the collar and the sleeves because I thought reducing my chances of being burnt all over would make this walk continue to be enjoyable. And I can deal with being a little bit sweaty instead. I'll just jump in the sea in a little bit, have a nice cleanse. These cliffs are absolutely insane. I would love to take like a decent photo of them, but they are freaking me out. Just why I'm freaked out, it is seriously high. There's birds flying beneath me. Alright, here we go. And it's thrown. Splash. Holy Christ, it's several seconds. I don't know what that means, but it means it's high. Very high. Right now my feet are absolutely ripped to shreds, like all over. I've gone way further than I intended, which is great, but it's really hurting to walk. So I've been to the pharmacy and I've got what I need. I really want to swim. The only problem is the next many hours of walking is all cliffs, except for I can get down here. So I'm going to take a trek down, which is quite a long trek to get to the bottom of these cliffs, to come all the way back up again, because I really want to wash. So right now I'm wasting steps, but I don't know, the water will be nice when I get there. The walk back up won't, and the walk down's not great either, seeing as I'm going there and back again just to jump in the water. But the water will be good. Alright, I'm best just get on with it. A bad morning view. I just came from all the way up there, which was super tricky. Now I'm down here, I've got this beautiful little path that runs all the way along the cliff top, so I'm going to walk along that and continue on north. You need to see this. there's actually water flowing here. Now, doesn't sound that interesting, but I didn't think there was fresh water flowing anywhere on the surface of Malta. And what I can't tell is it actually fresh? Is it actually fresh, like a little stream? Or is it coming from some burst pipe somewhere? But it looks like it's been here for a super long while. I keep hitting private property signs, but it's too far to go back. So I'm making my way around, which is a little tricky. This is really hard. I still have a long way to go. There's only one way down. Ow. It's hard. Hurts a lot. There's just, I can't even get back up. I have to keep going. That's why I just climbed down. It's not a good idea. Cactus in my hand. Thorns. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. I feel pretty happy that's over. I don't want to do that again, but I'm glad it's given me a little shortcut. Or maybe I just took the wrong route originally. On we go. I'm absolutely exhausted. I'm super happy to see people because it means I can get water. That was a nice little break. I just took a couple of hours to sit on the beach, have a nice swim and eat some ice cream. And now I'm going to do a big push. It's about 6 o'clock in the evening. Got about 25k to go and see if I can do a whole 25k right now without having to sleep. I don't know if it's possible or not.